Now, Oren has 3 glowing eyes. It's still the same as phase 5. But Simon beat his face and his eyes fell. In the music type is drum set. Roddy, he has a red glowing. His body is glowing red. And Luca accidentally did this to him. It is some change, same as phase 7 and phase 6, phase 5. And then has a spike thing coming out of his head. And sad and the black body with the ribs being revealed. In the music type is kick drum and snare drum. Fluker became normal to phase 5, but the mysterious things became 3, and blood streaming out of his neck, and then with a shock eye, and with some lines, and with sore eyes. And the music type is metal music. Holbot is now has no mouth, and then the goggles are red, and then with the gunshot, and the goggles is cracked, and the eye is gone, and it will appear soon again. And the music type is drum set in reverse. And Vineria has a lot of eyes, and her plants are not growing yet. And then moving 3 red eyes, and then with 2 green glowing eyes, and the mouth is very camouflaged to her face. And the music type is cricket sounds in reverse. Gray is still the same in phase 5, but the brain is not revealed yet, with some red teeth and some sharp things and the bloody eye, and then his freckles are not gone yet. And the music type is organ. And now Brood, he found the bucket in the trash can, and then his face is broken, and some fish like ribs, and some in his tummy too. And the skeleton is gone, and the skull is gone, and with some dirty marks in the bucket that he found in the trash can. And with the mysterious eye come from a werewolf. The music type is Kabasa in reverse. Garnold is super hyper. In his goggles, there's some gray some gray eyes and a gray background, and it's the teeth being revealed, and some red things, and then and the brain is not revealed again, but the ribs are still revealed. And the music type is a funky music. Owax. There's red edges or marks or graffitis in his head, but his teeth, his other part of the teeth upside down, and the other eye is popped again, and then the other eye is also half, and with some blood, and also some blood in his head. And the music type is, everybody doesn't know his music type. Sky, he's still acting like an 8-bit, but now he looks like a soul. And then his other ear is beaten by black. And the music type is music box in reverse. Mr. Sun is now the portal to the void is in the center of the sun. And then it looks like you can see the whole universe inside him. And then with some sharp triangles are not moving any faster than I thought. And with some shimmering stars and some freaky lines. And the portal to the void looks like an LED light. And the music type is seaboard. Darkpool is still the same in phase 5, but the horn toleration turned into purple, but in phase 5 it's blue, and then with a red mouth and some spike things in his mouth. And the music type is music box in fast motion. Mr. Tree's wood, and the inside wood is color yellow, and then the wood, and then the outside wood is color Aurela blue, because that's the color in Aurela in Sprunky OC. And with the LED mouth, and with the snake tongue, and with some freaky lines, and the mark in the wood looks like a ruined graffiti from an abandoned building. And the music type is music box in reverse. Simon, his children eyes got bigger, and with some sharp teeth, and with a single eye in his face, and with some rods in his head, and with some 4 spike things left and right of his mouth. And the music type is piano in fast motion or slow motion or fast motion and reverse. Tanner is really shocked, and then is hanged upside down, and with some blood streaming in his icon is a footstep, because his body looks like footsteps, has 2 footsteps, and he's hanging up there, and the brain being rebuilt, and is hanging up there upside down from waiting to get tortured again. And the music type is music box and a needle pulling thread. Mr. Fan Computer's wires come out of his computer, and with some square thing in the crack, and it says run. And it's still normal, but a part of his computer is broken, and the music type is unknown. Wenda is still the same in phase 5, his face, and then but her body looks like a noodle, and then he's always like that in phase 5, in phase 8, but now in phase 9 there's a 8-bit eye in her face with no teeth, and the music type is seaboard. Now this is Pinky from phase 8. She's showing nothing except the heart with no eyes, but with some mysterious nose in his face, and the heart was attached to blood vessels, and the music type is cricket sounds. Jevin is singing back to the vocals, and now he became a ghost, and he's praying for everyone to be cured, and with some mysterious LED rods in his streaming out of his head, and now he's a ghost. Now he's a soul, because when someone dies, the soul will come out of their body, just like the 7 souls. The music type is 1,000 male choir.